Hi, welcome to our second part of our grammar lessons, our screencasted grammar lessons. We have lessons 1 through 11 on our first learning module, and this is lesson 12 on the beginning of our second learning module. We are looking at direct objects. We still assume that we know everything else that we have learned in lessons 1 through 11. We know how to find prepositional phrases, that they start with a preposition and end with a noun. They don't have any verbs. They have only one preposition. Now we're adding the direct objects, and the direct objects have to be nouns. Let me go ahead and get my pen ready. The direct objects have to be nouns. The direct objects have to come after an action verb. So we have right here the cook fried an egg in that frying pan. We want to get rid of prepositional phrases. Here's a preposition in. There's a noun and something rather curious right here, the word frying. And we think, well, frying can be a verb, but in this case, frying is acting as an adjective describing pan. So we want to go ahead and get rid of that prepositional phrase. I crossed it out. It looks kind of like I underlined it there. My apologies, crossing it out. And now what we have left is the cook fried an egg. And we're looking for the verb. And there it is right there. Fried is the verb. And we have two nouns, egg and cook. And we think, oh, well, the cook fried the egg, or does the egg fry itself? No, I don't think the egg fried itself. So let's go over here to cook. And cook is the noun. The cook fried. What's receiving the action? The egg is receiving the action. So we could even say the cook fried. What did he fry? He fried an egg. So that's the direct object, and that's how you mark it up with direct object. So let's look at the second one. The gardener chased the rabbits off his property. Again, the first thing we want to do is get rid of prepositional phrases. So we have over here a preposition off. We're looking for a noun, property. So off his property, that would be our prepositional phrase. Off his property. Right there. There we go. That was a better job of crossing off than over here. What we're left with is the gardener chased the rabbits. Looking for our action verb because we know we're going to have direct objects here, actually. Chased, that's our verb right there. Gardener is our subject, not the rabbits. The rabbits are not chasing themselves, although that would look rather funny. The gardener is doing the chasing. Who's receiving the action? The rabbits are receiving the action of all of that chasing. The gardener's chasing. What is he chasing? He's chasing the rabbits. Direct object. Direct objects have to be a noun. They come after action verbs and they receive the action. Our last one for practice, at that restaurant, the waiters carry large trays. We are looking for a prepositional phrase. And there we go. A prepositional phrase starts with a preposition. It ends with a noun. Here's our noun, at that restaurant. We have an adjective here hanging out with restaurant. And so we have at that restaurant. Wow, I'm getting better at crossing off. And what we have left is the waiters carry large trays. Let's go ahead and find our verb. Here's our action verb right there. And who's doing the carrying? The trays are not carrying themselves. The waiters are carrying the trays. So waiters carry. What do they carry? They carry trays. That's the direct object. This adjective right here, large, is describing this noun, the direct object, trays. So waiters are carrying, what are they carrying? They're carrying trays. Trays are receiving the trays are receiving the action of the verb carry. If you would like to practice more of these, I have a worksheet attached and you can go ahead and spend some time doing that. Enjoy!